Welcome back, everyone. On the Great Falls Clinic Icon, we did start today off with partly to mostly sunny skies, but we have had increasing clouds throughout the day today. We have also had increasing precipitation throughout the state of Montana today. A lot of us in central and north central Montana were dry this morning, but there have been rain and mountain snow showers around for the past several hours, even a few isolated thunderstorms in locations east of I-15. And that precipitation is all associated with a disturbance that is currently working its way through Montana. And then as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, this storm system that is currently working its way southeastward from the Gulf of Alaska will be working its way through Montana, providing a lot of the state with widespread precipitation. As we go through this evening and tonight, there will continue to be rain and mountain snow showers around, especially in locations east of I-15. Drier conditions are expected around and west of I-15. We will have decreasing clouds as we go through tonight as well from west to east. And then heading into tomorrow, there will be some scattered rain and snow showers around throughout the day, especially along the high line as well as in the higher elevations. That's where we have the best chance to see that precipitation, and we could see a little bit of snow in the lower elevations during the day tomorrow as well. We're also going to have partly cloudy skies throughout the day. As we head into tomorrow night, some rain and snow will start to become more widespread initially in western portion of the north central Montana and the northwestern part of the state, and it will be cold enough that in the lower elevations, we will see snow or a mixture of snow and rain. Then as we go through Wednesday, there are going to be areas of rain and snow around throughout the day. Some snow is possible in the lower elevations during the morning. It will switch over to rain as we head into the afternoon, but then it will start to mix back in with snow as we head into Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. There are several winter weather alerts in effect. A winter storm warning is in effect for the East Glacier area from 12 a.m. Wednesday through noon on Thursday. 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulation is possible with up to 1.5 feet in the higher terrain. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the southern Rocky Mountain front and the northern high plains, including Browning and Hart Butte, where 2 to 8 inches of snow accumulation is possible. Then a winter storm watch is in effect for the Little Belt Mountains and the Highwood Mountains from early Wednesday morning through noon on Thursday, as 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulation is possible. In taking a look at the forecast snow accumulation in the eastern part of the state, that's where basically no snow accumulation is expected. But in central and western Montana, anywhere from a coating to a few inches of snow accumulation is possible in the lower elevations. And a lot of the mountains will receive at least a half foot of snow accumulation through Thursday evening. And taking a closer look in north central Montana, many lower elevation locations will receive less than an inch of snow accumulation, but in the lower elevations near the mountains in central Montana, as well as along the Rocky Mountain front in the western portions of the high line, that's where a coating to 5 inches of snow accumulation is possible. We're also going to be receiving a lot of beneficial moisture over the next few days. This is through Thursday evening. A lot of the state will receive between 1/10 of an inch and an inch of precipitation. And in north central Montana, most of us will receive between 1/4 inch and an inch of precipitation between this evening and Thursday evening. The wind is also going to be an issue as we go through tonight. It will be breezy, and then for both tomorrow and Wednesday, widespread gusty winds are expected with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are going to be possible at times, with the strongest wind expected along the Rocky Mountain front. Because of that wind, a lake wind advisory is in effect for Fort Peck Lake for tomorrow, and there is a fire weather watch in effect for the northeastern part of the state. Tonight, it will be a chilly night. Lows are going to be in the 30s and upper 20s for a lot of us. And then tomorrow, high temperatures are going to be in the 40s and the 50s.